it? Windows and R?
Windows Alt R.
Windows Alt R.
Alright, wanna start it again?
What's going on, guys? Today we're doing combat only.
What's good? Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment on what we should do next.
Combat only, boys. Combat only. Here we go. That's gonna be the main struggle, though, for us to find a combat. Just stack meds and then combat.
Yeah, maybe we should get like 2 if we find. Cause if we run into 10 ammo, then that's gonna suck if we run out of ammo. Cause we barely get any shoddy ammo.
So why is the server's taking so long? There we go.
I don't know. It's been taking long actually. Last night, Joe, when you got off, I went to go like check out my my name and everything. I played one game. I was trying to get into a game. It took me like 5 minutes just to get into one game. It sucked.
But let's go. Let's for the boys, dog.
This man's a bot. 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 This man's a bot.
Let's go.
I think I've only made this jump once. You know the jump where you have to like get up top of that building, Joe?
What building? Yeah, I guess. I don't think it's gonna be that contested.
Combats are really rare. I'm not sure we should like be able to.
Okay, shotgun only. Shotgun only.
Alright, let's do shoddy. Let's do shoddy only.
But when we get a combat, we'll just do.
Yeah, we'll just drop everything, I guess, because we can't survive then in Pleasant Park without a gun.
Bro, I told you we should have done that video yesterday.
What?
Close encounters without a jetpack. Oh, so many kids are gonna come here. There's a mech.
That has a shoddy. We could just use the shoddy from it.
Nah.
Like, I don't want to land on it and just self-destruct it because.
There's a llama right there.
Where? On your mark?
Yeah.
Set?
Or it could just be like a colorful rock.
Big pot, SMG, nope.
Boy, and a diddle.
Got a purple, what's it called? Tack.
Hate purple tacks. Boy, and a diddle. Oh my god, I get a minigun. Are you kidding me?
Bro, I like how easy it is just to take over walls now.
Okay, all meds are allowed, by the way.
Yeah. It's so nice that you can take over every wall.
Didn't mean to mark that.
I'm gonna get this gas station. I'm gonna self-destruct the mech.
I have minis for you.
Oh, combat!
Nice. Attack. Oh, I got a drum shotty, but I can.
I knocked him. Help!
Coming. Give me a sec. Oh, you actually need help. Holy. Did you get him?
Bro, I didn't pop any of my shields. I'm an idiot.
Did you get him? Yes or no?
Yeah, I got a big pot and a slurp. I didn't use them. I should have died.
Stack up on meds.
Now I have only 5 minute bandages. Oh, I gotta drop my other shotty too.
Oh, shockwaves are allowed too, by the way. Like any
And mobility.
Like mobility.
Oh, it's another mech.
Junk rifts and all that pizzazz. They're all available to use.
The SMG's available to use.
Yeah, and I am playing on PC for
Oh my
this.
god. I thought you were just messing with me.
No, I am.
Because I saw it in the lobby. My bad.
Did someone loot our doghouse?
I don't know, but I need more loot. I have no meds. I got the llama.
Mm-hmm.
We could use the mech for mobility too.
It's just you can't get kills. Like, we can't get kills. Oh, there we go.
If it
We
was a
can't get.
shoddy only, I would recommend. I would say we could maybe use the mech, just not the missile.
Why is that my auto run key? That's weird.
I hate this basement. How many boxes there are? They gotta get rid of. Oh, Joe, you never got a combat yet?
Nope.
There's grenades here, and that means there's 6. Oh, more stink bombs. I have 6 already. There's more grenades. Damn. Joe, you good?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, I thought you lagged out again.
Huh? No. My mom texted me.
Alright.
Whoa! Yo, there's an IT collaboration. Come here right now.
Oh my god, I knew it!
Yo, don't pop it. Don't pop it. Don't pop it.
Wait 1 second.
We gotta get this. Bro, why can't we make this our thumbnail? How do we screenshot? Matt?
You have to. It's pause and then. Oh wait, it's the little thing when you press the home screen and the.
Oh, okay. Did you screenshot it?
Yeah.
Alright, can you send that to me on Discord?
It's not hard. You just gotta press
I
the
know, but
thing
I'm
you just
not
recorded.
on my thing. I'm not on my controller.
You know, you still just press the home screen G and then. Oh wait, why didn't we take the mech?
Cause we're stupid.
Wait, where's the drift board?
There's only one, but I'm not taking it. How far are we from zone?
I'm just going storm.
No.
Somebody
No.
took the mech. Somebody just took the mech.
Get out, get out of there. Take this rift. Use your shockwaves.
Wait up.
Yep.
Alright, you can go.
Wait. Hurry up.
Go, I said.
I know, I wanted to wait for you.
They jumped out of the mech, those kids. They're trying to emote to get us to come down, I guess. I don't know. Oh, there's a llama!
Again? We're going for it.
Oh, I forgot.
Let me get this one. Let me get it since you got last.
Oh, my bad. I just picked it up.
You're good. Shot. Yeah, I was about to say I need shot ammo. Alright, let's go.
I'm gonna use a campfire maybe whenever we find it.
I'll take the med kit instead of the bandies.
I have a
like how you
launch.
said that it was gonna be combat only.
Right here. Knocked one. Sure.
Got the other baby.
Watch out. We're getting third party.
Yep. Yo, shockwave out of here.
I'm popping a big pot.
Right.
I have a launch. Come here.
Place it. I'll get up to you. Don't build up that high. Right there. Matt, stop. They're gonna shoot you down.
I could tell. Right here. You wanna push that? Because they're fighting these kids, I think.
Oh, wait on the ship. What are you doing? Come down here. Oh, junk rifts don't work. Okay, we're being lazy.
Bro, that's the guy that we saw in the fucking... Yo, come here, Joe.
I'm healing up.
I'm running
away.
away.
I didn't play shit. Or you're not even that good, kid. Oh my god, I've never loved mechs before in my life.
Why?
They just saved me.
How?
Cause they destroyed Yo, I'm getting to you.
Try. Oh, the mech got the shirt. Let's go.
Yo, see if you can throw a shockwave down and repel me to you. Yo, Matt, hurry up.
No.
You almost moved me back, holy shit.
I don't have any more.
Yo, you're gonna have to come down and revive me. I'm on 18, 16, 14.
Get behind the pillar.
12,
Get behind the pillar.
12, 8, 6, 4. Thank you. Oh, I got a shockwave out of here.
Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta wait for me. Oh, fucking thank you. Thanks. I have a campfire and bandages.
I have medkit. Oh my god, that almost went downhill. But we need to make a Minecraft Let's Play. My friend told me to do that. That we should make.
You want to restart our world?
Yeah, we'll restart.
Do you have any more meds that I can stack? Because I have 2 slots.
Take that, and then I'll split that.
Thank you. Alright, let's go.
Bro, I
Third
feel like
party,
this was
third
such
party?
a bad idea. I feel like this was such a bad idea.
No, third party, right? No, I don't know.
No, I'm not trying to die again. Let's get to the, let's get to that fish.
Mhm.
I feel like the sole reason I'm doing so bad is because I'm on PC.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that one.
Why? I threw down my junk.
Oh, this kid's right here.
Alright. I'll throw junk rift on him.
Hit 3, 2, and go.
Oh! What was that? They might be doing the same challenge as us.
This guy has a pump. Oh, I can't stack that.
Oh, I got bandages.
Did you kill the other guy?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh. Watch out.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
I know, I'm just gonna hit it anyways. Cause I just...
But you wanna just camp in there?
I don't really want to camp. That's the
We'll make
thing.
content. We'll make jokes for content.
For content.
For content.
A mech. There's a mech over there. I'm gonna go. Let's go destroy it.
No, let's get in it.
Oh
It
yeah.
has a shotgun, right?
Yeah, but we're going shoddy. We're not doing shoddy only. We're doing combat only.
Oh, we both have combats. No, we were doing shoddy kind
No,
of.
and then you said once we get a shoddy, I mean a
Once
combat.
we get a combat.
This kid's gliding in. Hop in.
Oh, I thought you said.
Yeah, no, we're gonna get in it, but it's just that we're not gonna
just
use
don't
it.
shoot. Oh, they landed close. Right there. Yo, I was gonna say stomp on them, but you can't. Yo, go push her, push her, push her, push her. Push them.
I can't. Oh,
my God.
I stomped on her by accident. How did she?
It's fun.
How did she survive
That's
that?
not even. That's not even. No, she didn't. She got knocked by a fall.
Oh, how do you mean to stomp on her?
Bro, just destroy it. This isn't creative, buddy.
Oh, third parties, third parties, third parties. Wait, what did I just do? I exploded myself? I didn't throw a grenade though. When did I throw a grenade? He's going to rev his teammate. Go get him, Joe. Oh my god, you're an idiot! Watch out, he's coming back down. He came back down. Put a med up. I'm at 5 HP. Joe, get on console. Go on console, Joe.
Hold on. Okay, making the switch.
It's a 2v2. But I think it's a 2v1v1.
I think it's, yeah.
Joe, you have any meds? No, right.
I have bandies.
Yeah, that's it. Me too.
I wasted all my meds.
I got meds. You can get to me.
Okay, he's on me. The last, not the last one, but one of them.
Joe, here. Behind you, behind you.
No, it's not. Oh.
I have a campfire.
Yo, can you shoot at him?
They fighting or?
My controller DC'd!
Oh my god, there's a launch pad down there, Joe.
Bro! This game is butt cheeks!
Wait, what? I saw movement in there though.
Yo, I just got minis come down.
There's so many traps right here.
Yeah, that guy just spammed them all. You didn't hear him? Yo, I'm medding up. I'm
There's a
medding
guy
up.
up
I'm medding
there.
up. I'm medding up. Bro, we love it when our controller DCs in the middle of the game. This is why I need a shorter wire. Or a scuff, because in the scuff it sits there. Is this kid still up there or no?
Yeah,
I
he
don't
is.
even know where it is. I have a launch pad. Come here. Bro, there's a launch pad. Let's take it. Right there. Right here. Right here. Get out. Get out of here. Get out of here. Bro, let that other kid destroy the mech. Yep. Yo, Matt, watch out. One of them landed near you. Good job. Oh, nope. Did not mean to do that. Alright, come here, Matt. Oh, that was a terrible
Wait, I'm
place for
placing a campfire real quick.
Yep.
Oh, I gotta drop my SMG that I got. He's somewhere on the mountain, I think. I'm pushing you.
You go. Yep.
He's one shot. He has no shield. He's got no shield, Joe. Nice shot.
Let's go!
Oh, my buildings are so bad.
Thank you guys for watching. That's the end of the video.
Thank you guys for watching.
Please subscribe, drop a like.
See you later.
Woo!